Greetings everyone. Today I'll guide you through the process of adjusting your Twitter settings to view sensitive content. Stick around till the end as I'll present two methods. The first one is simpler but not always effective, while the second is foolproof yet slightly more complex. Firstly, ensure your Twitter or X app is updated to the latest version from your Play Store or App Store. Next, open the X app or Twitter, ensure you're logged in, then tap your profile picture in the top left corner, followed by Settings and Support, and then Settings and Privacy. Within Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy and Safety, and then Content you see ensure the toggle next to Display Media that contains sensitive content is switched on. Additionally, navigate to Search Settings and ensure the corresponding toggle is off. If you can't locate these options in the app, switch to your browser. Visit twitter.com, log in with the desired account, and repeat the process by navigating to Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, and then Content you see. Adjust the settings as mentioned earlier. Once done, revisit the Twitter app, and after a few moments for the settings to sync, you should find that sensitive content is no longer hidden. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your settings to view sensitive content on Twitter.